Hey, planning a trip soon and wondering if Verizon Travel Pass is worth it? Whether you're flying out for a few days or staying abroad for a while, this video will break down how it works, how to activate it, and whether it's the right option for your trip. What is Verizon Travel Pass? It's a daily add-on that lets you use your regular Verizon talk, text, and data plan in over 210 countries. You get to keep your number, and your phone works just like it does back home. Costs $12 per day in over 210 countries, $6 per day in Canada and Mexico, but many unlimited plans include roaming in these countries at no extra charge. How does Verizon Travel Pass work? You're only charged on days you actually use your phone abroad. Each Travel Pass session lasts 24 hours from the moment you send a text, make a call, or use data. Even background apps can trigger it, so watch out for that. How to activate Verizon Travel Pass. Activating Travel Pass is super simple. You can do it in two ways. 1. Text the word travel to 4004. 2. Open the My Verizon app, go to Plans and Devices, and find the Travel Pass section. Once activated, it stays on your line until you remove it. You don't need to reactivate it every trip. Does Verizon Travel Pass activate automatically? No, it doesn't activate automatically. You must activate it once manually, via text or app. After that, it stays on your line permanently until removed. It only charges when you use your phone abroad, calls, texts, or any data usage. Be careful. Background apps or automatic updates can trigger charges, so keep data roaming off until you're ready. Coverage and speed. Unlimited talk and text. 5 GB of high-speed data per day. After that, speed drops to 3G, about 512 kilobits per second. Need more? Add 2 GB for $10. $5 of prepaid in Canada/Mexico. To check more details, check out our full post, link in the description. Is it worth it? For short trips, absolutely. But for trips over 8 to 10 days, Travel Pass can get expensive. Consider the $100 international monthly plan, 20 GB, 250 minutes, unlimited texts, or use local SIM eSIMs like Airalo, Holofly, or Nomad. If you're on Unlimited Plus or Welcome, the $10 per month Travel Pass perk gives you 3 free days per month. A nice bonus. Hope that helped clear things up. If it did, hit the like button or drop a comment and let me know where you're traveling. Thanks for watching and safe travels.